Every November, this Mexican village celebrates the return of the butterflies. This year, the skies are empty. Journey half a world away to wild and primeval forests, birthplaces of the monarch and the Australian blue tiger. Marvel at their summer of love and courtship, bringing new life. Fly as high as 11,000 feet and catch winds carrying us up to 100 miles a day. Chasing the sun thousands of miles south. Join the migration and experience the transformation that has captured human imagination. Butterfly Journey, now playing.